Do you like mozzarella cheese sticks but without all the carbs and unhealthy fats? Well, you should definitely try our baked mozzarella cheese sticks. These mozzarella cheese sticks are made with our homemade almond flour Italian breadcrumbs that you can either bake in the oven or air fry it for a crispier coating. The finished product is a crispy, gooey mozzarella stick that you'll want to share with your family and friends and be able to do so in a healthier fashion. I'm Chris, and you're watching Eat Well, Live Well, where we take international and traditional food and drinks and transform them into healthier versions. Make sure you stick around to the end to discover more healthy, amazing recipes like this one today. Now you would think with Italian breadcrumbs and mozzarella cheese that this would be somehow a product of Italy, that it would be Italian. However, it actually is a product of the French, dating back so many hundreds of years ago. Either way, let's make this crispy, gooey, baked mozzarella sticks that melt in your mouth together. So let's get started.